Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to check the internet speed from Netflix. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already installed the Netflix application on my mobile device. In case you have not, do install it right now and log into your account. Now right here, as you can see, this is the homepage of Netflix once you have logged in. Right now we simply want to check the internet speed from Netflix. Now right here at the bottom, there are a few icons, namely Home, Games, News and Feed, and My Profile. Simply click on the My Profile button right here. Once you've clicked on it, you will be redirected to a page like this. From here, you can look at your recently watched history. You can look at your downloads as well. But right now, we simply want to check the internet speed. Right here at the top right, here's something like these three lines. Just click on it. Now something like this will open up from the bottom. What you need to do is simply hit on the app settings button right here. Now this is the app settings page right here. Simply scroll down till you find something like internet speed test. Just click on this button right here and something like this will open up in your browser. Now let's check our internet speed. Well, that's it guys. That's how you check your internet speed from Netflix. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.